Welcome back to the program. I'm your host, Alex. Today's categories: wet circuits, heavy iron, and why Aussies don't watch TV. Justin, you have control of the board. I'll take rainy days for 400. This device took a bath in a raincoat pocket while Jem was riding through a storm. Buzzer sound. What is a bricked iPhone 15 Pro? Correct. Now, I know the Australians in the audience are confused. Yes, we actually have rules on this show. Keep up, mates. Software solutions for 800. The name of the A environment. John used to build a G-code box generator in a single afternoon. Buzzer sound. What is cursor? Right, you are. Justin, you didn't even have to drive to Seattle for that one.
Check the clock, watch the ticker. Who's the winner? Daily double in the shop. No time for dinner. Answering the question, keep you cool and stay here until if the muffs don't work, we're going full soporific.
Bargain hunting for 1,000. This automatic bandsaw was snagged for 1/3 of the price near the Space Needle. Buzzer sounds. What is the Tormatch AF50 Plus? Yes? Jim, why are you looking at me like that? Is it because I haven't mentioned a kangaroo yet? Focus, please. Category: accounting. This task keeps the shop owners up until midnight every single quarter. Think carefully. What is zero reconciliation? That's all the time we have. Jem, Justin, try to stay dry and keep your receipts. Good night.
Record scratch night.